Hi there, I'm Thomas. Today I'd like to show you how to use FreeScan UE Pro2 for controlling production quality in the automotive sheet metal industry. Here we have FreeScan UE Pro2, a wireless and portable metrology 3D scanner. With the power bank convenient in my pocket, we're ready to start scanning anywhere on the production floor. This scanner offers incredible scanning speed of up to 3,460,000 points per second. You can complete scanning tasks smoothly and efficiently. This significantly improves the efficiency of sheet metal inspection, helping to control production quality and enhance overall productivity. Let's see it in action. Using 50 laser lines mode, we can quickly capture the data of large, smooth surface thanks to embedded computing model. FreeScan UE Pro2 accelerates data capture and processing, reducing overall scanning time and computer workload. Make it an ideal choice for high-speed scanning tasks. Switching to 7 parallel laser lines mode is easy with a simple shortcut. This mode is perfect for capturing details like holes with high accuracy. The flexibility of FreeScan UE Pro2 makes it highly adaptable to different scanning needs. Now we have the mesh data. FreeScan software is also integrated with an inspection module, streamlining the workflow effortlessly with an all-in-one shop floor solution. Import the CAD model of the sheet metal, align the scan data with the model, and generate a 3D color map to visualize deviation. We can also create comparison points to check the surface deviation in specific position. Besides, we can quickly create features and measure distances between holes, ensuring that all dimensions meet the required standards. With its wireless capabilities, ultra-fast scanning speed, and integrated inspection function, FreeScan UE Pro2 is a perfect tool for maintaining high production quality. Inspect on the move with the FreeScan UE Pro2. For more information, product updates, or any question about 3D scanning, please follow our channel. Thanks for your watching and see you next time!